Most people think they have a focus problem, but the truth is, they have a system problem. Focus is not about willpower, it's not about motivation, and it's not about working longer hours. In this video, I'll show you how to build focus in just 10 minutes using techniques that are already used in business every day. No jargon, no hype, just actions. Focus is your ability to give full attention to one thing without switching, checking, or reacting. If you feel distracted, that doesn't mean you're lazy. It means your environment is winning. The good news is, focus can be reset quickly if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Remove distractions. Before you try to focus, remove what steals your attention. Put your phone face down or in another room. Close those extra tabs. Turn off notifications for the next 10 minutes. This is not forever. It's a short agreement with yourself. In business, this is called protecting your attention, because attention is valuable and distractions are cheap. Step 2. Reset your brain with breathing. Test this out now. Sit up straight, place your feet on the floor, breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds. Breathe out for 6 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. This slows your thoughts and tells your brain it's time to focus. High performers don't rush into work. They prepare their mind first. Step 3. Choose one task. Ask yourself this simple question. What is the one task that matters most right now? Not your entire to-do list, not 5 things, just one. Write it down if you can. Focus improves when your brain has clarity, not options. In business, this is a simple rule. One priority at a time. If everything is a priority, then you've got no priority. Step 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 10 minutes. During these 10 minutes, work only on your one task. Do not check your phone, do not switch tasks. When the timer ends, stop. Pomodoro works because your brain likes clear limits. 10 minutes feels safe. It feels easy to start. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because starting feels heavy. This removes that resistance. Step 5. Think in Kaizen. It means small improvements. Instead of trying to focus perfectly, ask this. How can I focus just 1% better than yesterday? Maybe you start faster. Maybe you remove distractions sooner. Maybe you finish a small part of the task. In business, Kaizen builds long-term success. In daily life, it builds trust in yourself. Small wins train your brain to stay consistent. Let's recap. To build focus in 10 minutes, remove distractions. Calm your brain with breathing. Choose one task. Use a 10-minute Pomodoro. Improve slowly with Kaizen. You don't need more motivation. You need a system you can repeat. This is day 2 of 30. Show up again tomorrow. We're building focus one day at a time.